Hi, this is Jean-Eric Henault for CGS TV. We're here with Jeff from Google, who works on the Google Cloud platform. A really interesting solution that works both for everything from a student all the way up to a large production facility. Think of ILM or something like that. Could probably use it, large game studios. So it's pretty much for everyone. It's a really interesting technology both for storage and rendering. What is Google Cloud platform exactly for a student or I guess a large facility?
Okay, yes, for running visual effects workloads as a student or a large facility or something in between, Google Cloud Platform is an amazing opportunity to have compute and storage and network on a planetary scale. We offer everything from virtual machines right through to a managed render service called Zinc that we're announcing today in beta at SIGGRAPH.
Sounds amazing. And how does that work exactly? You were mentioning you had some integration directly with some products like Maya, stuff like. How does that work?
Right, so if you're an artist that's using Maya or Nuke, you can download a plugin, and the Zinc plugin will enable you to take your scene, choose which kinds of virtual machines in the cloud you want to run it on, and then click a button. It will encapsulate your scene, send the assets to a file system in the cloud, and then the renders will fire up. All the different render nodes will start making pictures for you, and then a web interface will show the progress of your renders, and the files will download locally. If you make some changes to your scene, the position of a light, for instance, you can click a button again, and it will upload only the differences to that. So it's very quick to use, and then you'll get the renders back again in a few minutes. We support V-Ray as well as Arnold, and we're announcing RenderMan support at the show today as well.
I think I've read somewhere you also have support for some compositing tools.
Correct. Yes, we also support Foundry's Nuke product, so artists who are using those compositing tools can also run on our platform. The other interesting part about Zinc is the fact that it includes an integrated license server. So if you want to run 500 machines simultaneously, Zinc will provide the licenses for, again, V-Ray, Arnold, and RenderMan, in addition to Nuke as well.
And all you have to do is compress your file in the software of your choice, and it does everything for you automatically.
You don't even have to do that. You bring the plugin down and you install it, and then when you click the button, it will save out your scene in the correct format. It'll handle all the compression, encapsulation, upload all your database images and your character scenes and such. Everything goes up all in one, and it sits up in the cloud, and then you're able to render and scale from there.
Sounds amazing. And where do you see this going? I mean, I know it's just starting, but where do you see this product in a year from now?
Well, we're really quite excited about the opportunity to offer such a straight-ahead solution to individuals who may not have any sort of render resources beyond their laptop and the old laptop they had. But we're also working with customers who are in architectural firms, product design, automotive, industrial design. So companies that may have a small art department, there may be 7 to 12 people there. This is a really great solution to get them cloud-enabled. In addition to this, we're also announcing our partnership with Avir, and they are a fantastic caching appliance. They are a well-known brand in the visual effects community as well as financial and genomics markets and such. So they work right across the full array. The Avir file caching system enables you to, without having any of your equipment locally, you can just spin up multiple clustered nodes in the cloud. So what that means is if you have several terabytes of data that you want to render and do compute operations on, you can put the Avir appliance in the cloud, and all the render nodes will sit behind it. So that way you're only having to upload the data one time, and then as the render nodes wish to get that data, they just request it from the cache. And this is scalable from 3 nodes up to 30 or more. It's crazy fast, and it's scalable to a very large size.
You also mentioned you had solutions for game developers as well.
Absolutely, yes. As far as pre-rendered, we're able to offer them either custom solutions, which we offer for medium and large visual effects and feature animation companies, as well as companies doing game cutscenes. So for pre-rendered, we have a variety of pipelines we can offer, again, ranging from Zinc on the smaller end to more complex solutions if you have a custom fur plugin or you've written some custom software in your pipeline and you've glued it together in an interesting way, or you have your own asset management system, for instance. Then we can offer custom solutions that run on Google Cloud Platform. In addition, for gaming, we have fantastic database options. So if you want to shard out 100 different versions of a database and have your mobile game that runs on Android or iOS, and you want them all to talk to each other with a database, we have many customers who are using both our rendering options for being able to produce the game assets, but also using our database and global network to be able to reach customers in Asia and Europe simultaneously on our private network that we've built.
So I guess it doesn't matter where you are in the world, it would be the same speed, I guess, or pretty much.
Yeah, we're really down to a speed of light issue. Google has gone and leased a bunch of ships and laid custom fiber cables under the oceans. So when you jump on in Sydney, Australia, and jump off in Helsinki in Finland, you're on our private network the entire time. So we have customers who are using our network from Europe, Asia, and America simultaneously, and the data is encrypted the moment it hits our switch and runs through our private network and then jumps off at the other end.
Super exciting. So this is Google Cloud platform. Sorry, this is the Google Cloud platform. I'm Jean-Éric Hainaut for CGS TV.